Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to... Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Kara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a
Jet is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Sequence on Jet 3 for Pakara. Jet 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're rolling up. Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Engage repulse. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make...
Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, get a gear pass so transport can make the jump. Back for you! Stay strong! Is there anything we can do? I know. That idiot. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Oh, I didn't mean the bag.
Visit Naboo today.
Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of Copaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxia. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your dashing button. Engineers, help us out. Harpoons, there it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Left pilot, brakes. Brakes. Right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fire. And pull forward to slide out. You better be faster when we get to the green.
I am coming along with you just in case.
Just kidding.
So what? Bye. We better go before he changes his mind. How could that have happened? We don't even deliver our disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them.
Have nothing to hide.
Right, that's what I said. But he said this is contraband and we can't ship.
The good news, that's not leakage.
Right. Right.